Dear student, good morning. Today the topic is exponential number or scientific notation. How can we write an ordinary number into a scientific notation? This is the topic of today. For example, if a number the given 246.38 and the question is asked, you convert this number into scientific notation. So you convert into scientific notation 2.4638 into 10 to the power 2. Always be one digit before the decimal and another digit which are necessary. You can write right hand side of the decimal, and how many times the decimal is left to right, take increase or decrease, you show in an exponential value. So the formula is n into 10 to the power small n, where capital N is number with a single non-zero digit. It is called digital term or digit term, and a small n is known as integer called exponential term. Student, the question is raised in our mind, what are significant figure and how can we decide these are significant figure? So the significant figure in a number are all the certain digit plus one uncertain digit. So rules for determining the number of significant figures are: number 1, all non-zero digits are significant. Example 3.132. So the significant figure are 4. Rule number 2 is zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Example 3.01. So the significant figure is 3. Rule number 3 is the zero preceding to the first non-zero number to the first non-zero digit left are not significant. For example, 0.324, 0 is left hand side, so the significant figure are 3. Another example, 0.0052, so the significant figure is only 2. Student, the fourth rule is all zeros placed at the end or to the right of a number are significant provided they are on the right side of the decimal point. For example, if 0.0200, so the 20 right hand side the significant figure 2, so they are count 3 significant figure. Another example 243.0, so the significant figure are 4 because 0 is the right hand side. Student, in NCERT exercise question number 1.18, express the following in the scientific notation. So the very first question, 0.0048. So you know the rule. This is 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 3 because only the one digit before the decimal. Second segment 234,000. So they are convert 2.340 and 10 to the power 5. Question number third, 8008. So the scientific notation is 8.008 into 10 to the power 3. 4, 500.0, it is 5.000 into 10 to the power 2. Question number 5, 6.0012. They convert into scientific notation 6.0012 or 6.0012 into 10 to the power 0. In NCERT exercise, question number 1.19, calculate the number of significant figure in the following. Question 1, 0.0025. The significant figure is only 2 because 0 is left hand side to the non-zero digit. Question number 2, 208. The significant figure is 3. Third, 5005. Significant figure are 4. 126,000. The significant figure are 3. All the 0 are right hand side. Question number 5, 500.0. The significant figure are 4 because 0 is right hand side. Question 6, 2.0034. The significant figure are 4. Significant figure are 5 because the 0 between the non-zero digit. Student, the next topic is retention of significant figures or rounding of figures rules. First rule, if the digit coming after the desired number of significant figure happens to be more than 5, the preceding number is increased by 1. Example 6.38. So the 6 increase in an 8, so the round off is 6.39. 5.248, 8 is greater than 5, so it is 5.25. Second rule, if the digit coming after the desired number of significant figure is less than 5, it is neglected as such. 6.234, 4 is smaller than 5, so this is 6.23. In a third rule, if the digit coming after the desired number of significant figure happens to be 5, then the preceding number is increased by 1 only in case it happens to be odd. In case of even number, the preceding number remains unchanged. Example 6.75. 7 is an odd number, so 1 is increased in it. It is 6.80. 6.45, it is 6.4 because 4 is a even number, so there are no change in the number. Student, 1.20, round up the following up to 3 significant figures. So 34.216, 1 is smaller than 5, so the round of 34.2. Second question, 10.4107, 1 is smaller than 5, so rounding off is 10.4. 0.04597, so the 5 is odd number, so 9 is increase in it, so the rounding of 0.0460. 2808, 8, 0 is count an odd number, so it is increased, so rounding of 2810. Student, in NCERT exercise question 1.31, how many significant figures should be present in the answer of following calculations? The question is 0.02856 into 298.15 into 0.112 divided by 0.5785. Student, the answer of this question is 3. Significant figure due to least number is 0.112. So in this type of question we see which number has the minimum significant figure or least significant figure. In second question, 5 into 5.364 multiply how many significant figure? So they are 4 because in a 5.364 it's a greater number, so we can check that what is the maximum number. Same question third, 0.0125, 0.7864, 0.0215. So students, the minimum significant figure is 4, so the answer is 0.8204.